Okay, this is your standard 2 quiz 4. Let's look at this together. So you were so close on this one, you just got them backwards. So horizontal lines are of the form y equals, so it's going to go with the 2. So y equals 2. And vertical lines are of the form x equals, so x equals 4. So you got them backwards. Learn that. Systems of equations. So I didn't check to see if you got this correct or not, so let's just work through it. It looks like you're doing elimination, so you added the 2. 4x, the y's canceled, 24, so x is equal to 6. I support that. And then you plug the 6 back into the first. 6 plus 2y equals 4. So now you have negative, okay, so let's write that out. 6 plus 2y equals 4. You subtracted 6. So now you have 2y equals negative 2. Divide by 2, divide by 2, you get negative 1. So a good thing to do, so you said it was 6, negative 4. I would go back to either one and plug it in. 6 plus 2 times negative 4 equals 6 minus 8 equals minus 2. So at that point, you should go, wait, that doesn't satisfy the first one. So maybe I made a mistake, and go back and look. So you have the right idea. You just did some kind of algebraic error here, and then you didn't check. So always go back and check your answers, especially when you finish well ahead of time. So your final answer should have been 6, negative 1. Okay, on this one, find the average rate of change. That's just slope. So average rate of change on an interval from A to B is f of B minus f of A over B minus A. So f of 1 minus f of negative 1 over 1 minus minus 1. It's a minus. So if you plug in 1, you get 0. You plug in negative 1, you get 0 over 2, and that is 0. That is not undefined. If it were 0 on the bottom, that would be a problem, but 0 on the top is not a problem. So you know what that means? Let me just give you the quick graph here. So x squared minus 1 is a parabola shifted down, and that's negative 1, and that's 1. So really, over this interval, the change in f is 0, right? Because it's the same value at the beginning at negative 1 and at the end at 1. The end.